Dive into the world of sage, a beloved herb with a history as rich as its flavor. Originating from the sun-soaked soils of the Mediterranean, sage quickly spread its roots across the globe. Ancient cultures revered this herb, employing it for its potent medicinal properties and distinct culinary appeal. It found particular favor in Italian cuisine, where it's cherished as a staple ingredient in a myriad of dishes. From a medicinal wonder to a culinary star, sage has truly stood the test of time. And sage doesn't just have a rich history, it's also a star in the kitchen. This versatile herb plays a leading role in numerous recipes, transforming ordinary meals into flavorful feasts. Imagine a plate of pasta, its rich buttery sauce infused with the distinct earthy aroma of sage. Or envision roasted potatoes, their crispy exterior harmoniously paired with the warm peppery notes of this remarkable herb. And let's not forget about the holiday favorite, sage rubbed turkey. The sage permeates the poultry, lending an unmistakable depth of flavor that's synonymous with festive family gatherings. But sage isn't limited to these classics. It's a culinary chameleon, blending seamlessly into a wide range of dishes, from hearty stews to delicate desserts. So next time you're cooking, why not invite sage to the party? Whether you're whipping up a weeknight dinner or a special occasion feast, sage is more than just a herb. It's a game changer in the kitchen. Sage isn't just about flavor. It's packed with health benefits too. This little herb is a powerhouse of antioxidants, especially rosmarinic acid, which helps neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in our bodies. It's also a natural anti-inflammatory, thanks to compounds like ursolic acid that can help soothe inflammation and swelling. Traditionally, sage has been used to aid digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and reducing bloating and gas. It's not just about the stomach, though. Some studies suggest that sage may enhance memory and cognitive function, making it a potential ally against age-related cognitive decline. Sage isn't shy when it comes to menopausal support either. Its estrogen-like effects can help alleviate hot flashes and night sweats. And let's not forget its potential benefits in diabetes management, skin health, immune boost, and respiratory support. Adding sage to your diet is like adding a health boost to your meals. Now that you know all about sage, it's time to take the sage challenge. Why not add a pinch of sage to your meals? It's not only a flavor enhancer, but also a treasure trove of health benefits. Store your fresh sage leaves in a cool, dry place to preserve their aroma and potency. And for a creative twist, try making sage-infused oils or teas. This will not only uplift your dishes, but also boost your health. Take the sage challenge today and give your meals a health and flavor upgrade.